Hi guys, Coach Jason Pully here from thetrainersedge.co.uk. So I'm just going to show you a quick little video here of an upper body workout that I'm going to do in conjunction with the video I just done the other day of a lower body workout I did outside. So just going to show you the routine I'm going to do. I'm going to splice in some video of some of the exercises as well. But before I do that and I show you the equipment, please can I ask you to like and share this video, and please hit the subscribe button below to get some more information on videos that I will be doing in the future with regarding strength and conditioning, fitness, nutrition, etc, etc. So please do that for me guys, thanks a lot. And now I'll just show you the route setup I've just put up. So first of all, let's swap hands. Hopefully you'll be able to see this all right. The other day it was focused on me, so hopefully this will focus a little bit better today. So what I want to do, show you first, is I've swapped out a few things from my rig. Still got the same rig, so I'll put in some dip bars. So hopefully you can see that there. But I'm putting some put some bands on only because I have a slight problem with my elbow. So I'm going to spice in some video here so you can see me doing some tricep, some dips, working my chest as well, going up and down, using the band just to help. So next thing I will be doing is I'll be using my pulley system there. Hopefully you can get that in focus. So I'm just going to use that maybe for some single arm pulls, maybe some lat pull downs. Hopefully you can just see there I have got just a single 20 kilogram plate. Yep, so you can just see I'm just going to be doing some pulls like so. Hopefully that will be focused. So hopefully I'll be splicing in some video here now showing you what I'm going to be doing with the pulls. So it'd be nice and good to do some single arm pulls with that. So from there I'm just going to focus on this next piece of equipment, which is my Landmind setup. So hopefully you can see it there, and then you see I've got a Viking press setup. So what I'm going to do, some shoulder workout, maybe some clean and press, maybe some clean and jerks, I don't know yet. And then finally, hopefully still on focused, yep, just with my trusty kettlebell there, I'll finish on some conditioning workouts, so kettlebell swings, maybe some cleans, maybe some snatches to finish off with. So that's going to be my little workout for this evening. Hope you like this little setup. Also, just to let you know, seagulls all around me, most of this I can put in my truck, except for the big rig, but I can use my truck for that. So I can actually take most of this equipment with me anywhere and train people anywhere, at the house, at home, sometimes in a park or somewhere where I can set up where it's nice and secure and quiet. So just keep that in mind, that I can strength train people anywhere. So that's it, yeah. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you on another video coming soon. Thanks a lot, bye.